Hi there, my name is Daniel Cowan. I'm the founder of Big Star Lights, and I just wanted to go over a new product that we have called Chromaglow Pro. And these are permanent lighting, and they use aluminum tracks made from extruded aluminum. So let's just review the 6 different tracks that we have to make your permanent installations look incredibly professional. The first set we're going to go over is called a hat track because it looks like a hat, and it has 2 different flanges. What you'll do is put the narrow side of the flange inside the J channel, and these tracks are 13/16 inch height. So this is our shallowest track. So if you have a fascia or no fascia at all with very little drop, you want to make it so that the bottom of the track is as close to the bottom of the fascia as possible. In other words, you don't want the lights to be hidden behind the fascia. They need to be even with the bottom of the fascia. So that's why we have all these different sizes. This is 13/16 inch height. It's our shallowest one. And so if you have a fascia drop that's 13/16 inch or less, this will be the track to use. The next one is the 1.5 inch hat track. Same style, but again, if your fascia drops are a little more, up to 1.5 inches, this will be the track to use. If you have really deep fascias, we also have this track, which is 2 inches in height. Again, it's a hat track, and you want to get it so that that the lights are either flush with the bottom of the fascia or ever so slightly sitting below and exposed. Now, some fascias can drop even more. And so what we have is, we call this one the fascia track, and this one mounts now to the back side of the fascia. And so rather than fastening it to the soffit, you'll place this on the back side of the fascia, and we'll put a screw through the back side here. And you can actually adjust the height of it so that the bottom of the track sits again flush to the bottom of the fascia. Sometimes we encounter soffits or eaves that don't have any soffits on it at all, and we want to provide a nice clean look. We have a 2-piece channel mounted track, and it is 1 inch in height. So it's very similar to the 13/16 inch one, but you'll notice there's no flanges on here to attach it. So instead we have a second part, which is a base. This is not coated or powder coated. And you put a screw through the bottom, and it attaches to the soffit. And when you're ready, you will take the track and it snaps into the base like this. And it gives it a really clean look because you'll notice that there's no flanges here as well. I always like to stagger the base out a little bit. You know, this might be a bit much, but maybe just 1 inch or 2, so that when you go put the next track on, it will secure it in place, and the next track won't be offset at all. It keeps them lined up nicely. This is the last track. We call this the drip edge track. This is often seen on commercial buildings where there's a drip edge on the top of the wall. Of course, when you have a building like this, we want to make sure that when we attach the lights, we don't compromise the waterproof membrane of the building. And because there's no soffit, the lights are really close to the wall, and so we've made the lights face outward about 20 degrees, ever so slightly, and we found that that was the optimal angle to get a beautiful wash against the wall. Because I'll take this example here. Let's pretend that this is the top of a very large wall. I'm going to place this underneath the drip edge. And so all you do is you just push it up underneath. Most drip edges are actually wider than this. They're maybe 1/2 inch or to even 3/4 of an inch. So it'll fit up underneath. And all you do is you put a screw through the top of the edge, and the screws are short enough that it won't go into the building and compromise the waterproof membrane of it as well. After I've placed this track in underneath the drip edge, the lights will actually be faced outward about 20 degrees. And actually this is a requested look on a lot of commercial buildings, because not only will you get the nice wash against the wall, but it'll be a lot brighter from the curb as well and attract more attention. because the lights will be facing out to the street more. So those are the 6 tracks. So just to recap, we've got 3 hat tracks. We have a 13/16 inch height one, we have a 1.5 inch one, and we have a 2-inch one. If you have a really large fascia drop, you can use the fascia mounted track, which mounts to the back side, and you can set the height accordingly. If you don't have a very great soffit to screw into or work with, or it's an exposed soffit without anything, like just with joists exposed underneath it, you can use this 2-piece one by mounting the bottom piece first and then snapping the 1-inch height track on top of it. And then for commercial buildings, we have the drip edge track, which is great for mounting underneath your drip caps, and the lights will be angled outward, in this case about 20 degrees. All these tracks come in black or white, and of course any other color as well. We can custom color these tracks upon request.